discipline, it has been decided as mentioned.
Honored members and delegates, it is with great pleasure.
Co-founder members of Persilat, Ikatan Persib, for your confidence. Wish to extend my gratitude to the organizing committee, IPSI, for their I hope we will make this Congress a successful one. Terima kasih of Pencaksilat from the associate and your members. Or another, which will bond the solidarity and camaraderie, which personally I feel a force to be reckoned with the other major sport of the world. Our aspiration and inspiration have come true. I hope the Pencaksilat House. From this avenue, we will gather information, either victorious your assistance and support to provide the above to make our home of. In addition of President of Persilat, your constructive comment for the Inter-Asian University Games and the World Silat Championship 19th universe, and I pray for the
Thank you, Bapak Edi.
From all the brothers and sisters of Pencaksilat, Satya Muda, we would like to present this to you. In appreciation with gratitude to Mr. Edi Praya, President, Central Board of Pencaksilat of Indonesia, Persilat from Burgoyne, Pencaksilat Satya Muda of the USA. We'd like to thank you for all your efforts and this fine committee and organization. We really felt at home here, and everybody from the USA sends their salams to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. We'll see you in Hanoi.
Yes.
I will. Kamu tanya apa?
Ya, selain money itu umumnya hasil-hasil dari kongres.
Jadi kongres ini pertama mempelajari dan mengevaluasi pertanggungjawab Presiden masa bakti yang lalu. Alhamdulillah tuh secara bulat oleh komisi dibahas, ternyata pertanggungjawabannya diterima sepenuhnya dengan baik. Kedua, mereka juga membahas masalah organisasi karena perkembangan yang baru kan. Kita kan ada anggota gabungan, anggota associate member gitu ya. Ini kita bahas kembali sehingga kita sesuaikan dengan aspirasi-aspirasi yang ada. Ini itu pun secara organisatoris itu semuanya dapat diterima dengan baik. Ketiga, masalah teknik. Kita bakukannya peraturan olahraga dan seni. Itu pun secara secara keseluruhan tidak ada perubahan apa kecuali hal-hal sebagai tambahan-tambahan gitu. Jadi organizing committee ini telah betul-betul bekerja dengan baik sehingga masalah-masalah teknik di komisi itu tidak begitu banyak dipertentangkan. Dan yang terakhir sendirinya mengenai kepengurusan. Ini secara bulat saya diminta kembali untuk menjadi presiden untuk masa bakti 96 dengan sampai tahun 2000. Nah, sebaiknya Anda sebetulnya ada wawancaralah dengan Presiden Persisi Malaysia dan Brunei mengapa memilih kembali saya gitu. Barangkali latar belakang itu bisa didapat gitu.
Pak, apa ada usulan mengenai perubahan dari ART menyangkut hak untuk memilih hak presiden?
Tidak ada.
Ini kan cuma 4 negara yang
Betul, itu sampai kapanpun itu tidak pernah kita akan rubah. Itu semata-mata untuk pengamanan. Untuk pengamanan karena Pencaksilat ini milik rumpun Melayu, milik 4 bangsa itu. Jangan kita nanti jadi masalah di waktu yang akan datang nanti ada presiden yang berbangsa Australia misalnya. Itu kan tidak lucu. Ini maksudnya.
Jadi selalu dari keempat pendiri.
Betul. Jadi makanya kalau Anda lihat ini tidak seluruh peserta hadir, mereka itu fakultatif. Boleh hadir, boleh tidak. Yang penting mereka kasih masukan dan kita bahas. Tapi tidak ada hak suara untuk memilih gitu.
Tadi saya ada usulan agar silat.
Okay, can you tell me about improving silat in USA?
Yes, how are you? Pencaksilat in the United States has grown to become something that's very popular now. For many years, it's remained somewhat mysterious art because there was not that much knowledge or information about it. But because of the efforts of IPSI and the consorted efforts of all the gurus here, and also Pencaksilat Sachamuda that has come to the United States, the information has been coming to America. The desire for martial artists in America now has become stronger to learn about other martial arts that haven't been actually reached the shore. And Silat has been one of those arts that has been very mysterious and a spiritual art, but very much welcomed in the United States. We have expanded Silat in most parts of the states now, throughout the United States, through the efforts of the IPSI Central Board, and also through the efforts of Pencaksilat Sachamuda Edward Libby, that is
How many
visiting.
people member silat Pencaksilat in
In U.S.?
US?
There are many people now. It would be difficult to give you the numbers, but I could say that there's probably thousands of people practicing Silat throughout the United States itself, and on college campuses is starting to come, where you're finding groups of Indonesian and Malaysian students. There's a movement there. You'll find, especially in the central states in Michigan, Chicago, Washington, California, especially, a lot of Silat is there, that is moving. The interest is very, very strong because of the culture, the beauty of the culture, and the heritage of it being an ancient art, coming with the roots coming from Indonesia, from West Sumatra.
Can you tell me about Pencaksilat in Philippines?
The Philippine Silat has been organized as early as 1991, and we have been accredited by the PERSILAT and the Philippine Olympics Committee. So by then we started with a small group, and as of now we have 23 chapters, and we have 4 perguruans, and we have covered almost all the islands of the Philippines, and we're trying to cover all the provinces to have chapters, the Philippine Silat chapters. Our organization is participated by 19. We have more or less in the in the national pool. We have the national pool. We have also the developmental pool, wherein it is numbering more or less 50 members. So we're trying to coordinate mostly with the universities and groundworking with other organizations for them to join the Silat. you will note that silat is not a new sport in the Philippines, especially in the southern part of Philippines, in the Sultanate of Sulu, long before, wherein silat is the only martial arts that they have been practicing. So it's only in Luzon or in some part of Visayas that silat is not well known. So now we're trying our best through dissemination of information about the silat, and with the support of our federation, the Persilat, I hope we could achieve that all of the provinces could be participating or would be participating in our association.
How many members Pencaksilat in the Philippines?
Now we have more or less 250 active members, but we have more members coming in. So each national pool is having their students. So they're trying to go out in their provinces and disseminate and propagate the silat in their provinces. So in records, we have more or less 250 of them active. But the membership of the different chapters, we don't have the definite numbers yet.
Bisa jelaskan sejauh mana perkembangan silat di Inggris?
Di Inggris Raya?
Ya.
Ya, kalau perkembangan silat di Inggris Raya itu sekarang ini sejak terbentuk Pencaksilat Federation of Great Britain, ya, sejak 1,5 tahun yang lalu itu agak bagus perkembangannya. Ya. Dan sekarang ini anggota-anggotanya terdiri dari 5 perguruan, ya. Silat Bugis Makassar Gerak Ilham, Perisai Diri, Pencaksilat Tenaga Dasar, ya, PGB Kebangau Putih, ya, dan juga ada silat aliran dari Malaysia yang namanya Seni Al-Haq. Ya.
Anggotanya sendiri seluruh Inggris Raya?
Ya, kalau seluruh Inggris Raya itu sekarang ini masih belum banyak dari yang anggota-anggota kita ini, ya, yang ada sekitar 150 sampai 200 orang. Tapi kami berharap dalam waktu-waktu yang akan datang, ya, bisa berkembang dengan cukup bagus.
Pola pemasyarakatannya caranya gimana untuk mengenalkan ke masyarakat?
Oh ya, kita sebenarnya bikin banyak peragaan, ya, seminar-seminar, ya, demonstrasi silat, ya, pendekatan dengan banyak instansi-instansi lokal di sana, ya, untuk mengembangkan silat dan sekaligus itu Indonesia, ya, karena pimpinan PSF Pencaksilat Federation di UK itu ya orang Indonesia, orang Jakarta sama orang ujung pandang, jadi ya begitulah. Ya.
Terima kasih.
Ya.